Yes, sir.
Like normally for me it's like the thought just comes to me. I can't help it. I have to think it somehow. And you're saying like I have to experience that I'm creating the thought while I'm creating it in the moment.
Yeah, it's not hard because you're creating
But
it.
this is hard because nobody.
It's not hard.
I don't have a reference experience to that. I never like experienced myself creating a thought while I did it. It's just happening to me. I mean, I can intentionally create a thought, yeah, but I cannot intentionally create another thought. It's not easy, not for me and not for the others. I can stop a thought, yeah, I can do that, but I mean.
Okay. Stop the thought, then the suffering goes away.
Yeah, but it comes up every 10 seconds, or it's always in the background.
Well, don't do that. See, again, you have to get your doing it, and you're probably not getting your doing it. See, you're holding it, that's something happening to you. See, and then you can override it like the guy on the fucking elephant, right? And you can say, oh, I can stop that thought, but then it comes up again. See, as if, what, where, how? Like life is just making it come up. Somehow it bubbles up in your body mind, right? Now, don't hold it that way. See?
Well,
That's the way you think about it.
I can see the possibility that I have an insight in creating the thought and don't create it anymore. But if it comes up every 10 seconds and then I have to have the awareness every 10 seconds to stop it. And
No, stop it and don't do it anymore.
Well, that's the hard part.
Look, do you want to be depressed?
I don't know. Sometimes I think I want to.
Okay, then enjoy. Okay? Just get into it.
I tried that.
And like I said, yeah, I mean, if you start enjoying your depression, usually you're not depressed.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It changes it, but dig it.
I mean, I can see clearly it doesn't do anything. It doesn't solve
See,
the
look,
problem.
if you see that it's something I do, look, like, oh, look what I was doing. I'm creating this bleak future, say, right?
Yeah, but I don't see that I'm doing it. I just assume that I'm doing it.
Ah, well, there's the rub. I can't help you.
Everybody assumes he's doing it because they don't have an insight how to create a thought while
I
it's
don't.
happening. Yeah, you don't. Okay.
What, you think I'm special?
Yes. It's not like I don't hold it like you're
The only
person
reason
who
I'm
can
saying,
do
yeah,
that.
is because I do it, you don't. Okay? That's all. When Brendan does it, he does it. See, right? All you have to do is get what I'm saying as a reality, an experience. You experience it. So you grasp it. Yeah? See, so let's go back again to your depression. So you have a future that's depressing. See, now when you're being depressed, you're full of yourself, right? Say, woe is me, I'm depressed, blah, 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 blah. You're just full of yourself and your drama.
Yeah.
Okay, see, so it doesn't occur to you that you're doing it. And it doesn't occur to you that's how you're doing it. See, but now it can occur to you. See, because I planted that seed, right? So now it can occur to you. So now it occurs to you, wait, I'm depressed. I remember Ralston saying this is going to be about, some negative future. Let me take a look. Oh, yeah, look. Oh, look what I'm doing. I'm imagining some kind of negative future. I'll stop that. See, there's no reason to start it again because now, I stopped that. Oh, look, I'm not depressed anymore. Let's go on a roller coaster. I don't know why you're obsessed with roller coasters, but you see, there's no reason. It doesn't pop up by itself. Oh, look what I'm doing. I'm going to stop doing that. The suffering goes away. That particular suffering goes away. There's no reason to create it. We say, I'm going to have to create it again. Why? Let's see. Watch this. Where do you come from?
Germany.
Germany, okay. Where? What city? Berlin? Yeah. West Berlin?
No, the opposite.
East Berlin. The old East Berlin. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so there's your problem right there. Anyway, okay, so now, imagine you're going to go home to Berlin. And do you have a girlfriend?
Mm.
You do?
Mm.
Yeah. Well, she's left you and she's fucking some other guy. It's already occurring right now. See? And you're going to go home to Berlin and you're going to find this out. All right. But now imagine that. Imagine that now. Okay? Got it? You doing it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you probably don't feel happy about that, right?
No.
Is that, yeah, kind of hurtful, painful, whatever, right? Yeah. See, now all that hurt and pain is occurring because you're imagining that. And you're only imagining that now because I told you to do it, right? I brought it up, created a scenario. I'm saying it's just as easy as that. See? Stop imagining that. Right? And then all your hurt, pain, weird, it goes away.
Yeah, obviously.
Obviously, right. See, now, this one you say, I can stop doing it because I just did it. In other words, I don't really believe it's true. Could be true, But you see, I don't really believe it's true. See? So I can stop doing it. But I'm saying on the stuff that you really believe is true, you can also stop doing it because it's your imagination. It's not true. It's not any more real than that you created now. Because you could create that now. Maybe you get a Dear John letter or something. You know what I'm saying? So something stimulates you to go down that road. But you could create that now, you see? Now I'm saying this is true about every form of suffering that you have. You're doing something with your mind. You're imagining something. Stop imagining that, and boom, gone. And it is that simple. So now you'll never get depressed and you'll never be lonely again, right? See, what I'm suggesting is if you grasp this, this is true. You don't have to be depressed. You don't have to be lonely. And what was the other one we did? Disappointment, right? No, he did disappointment. What did we? Dissatisfaction, right? See, it has to be dissatisfaction. But anyway, I mean, I don't give a shit. Be lonely, be depressed. I don't care. I'm just saying, you grasp this, you don't have to.
Thanks for watching. If you find value in the work we're doing here and want to get involved, I have some invitations for you. Join the newsletter and get real insights and weekly facilitation. Check out the school community, the Consciousness Path, and engage with others who are doing this work and access free course material. And if you're serious and want to have major insights and breakthroughs for yourself, you're invited to join a workshop. They're more powerful than you think. Links for all this can be found in the description below. Ciao for now.